Okay, so got some old ash wood here. Not old, but cut it last year to dry out for this year. Hopefully use it to make some handles for stuff, but probably gonna take a little bit of it and make a homemade strop. Hopefully this is a good angle. So I'm going to use this chunk of this one and do most of this by hand. This one enough. I don't want it too big, I just want just enough. Be about a mark. This thing sucks. I can still use this for something else. So that's about it. Carved. Should be pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to finish working on this here wood hand strop. Got it flattened out on top there. I'm going to make a few little designs and stain it and get the leather put on it. What? Little Dremel fun. Alright, so I think I'm going to stain it Puritan Pine. It's kind of dark. See how it goes. And there we go. Nice and stained. Let it dry. Then we'll get the leather on it.